What's up, everybody? I am not a software engineer, but I did manage to port my Unity game to Unreal, featuring the Cube Boy model that I made when following the Grant Abbitt lessons on YouTube and tutorials on YouTube and that kind of thing. And then adding my own custom animation and bringing it into a game engine. So just wanted to do a quick little overview on the Unreal project. You can see here this pretty simple layout. I based the terrain on an export from Gaia and used the same texture for the grass that I've been using in all three game engines. So yeah, I got my trees here on the left, then I have my nice looking palm trees as well, and then I have all of my coins. So just a quick little overview. I'm going to get into some of the specifics of Unreal in a longer comparison video, but basically I have my spawn point, which spawns my Cube Boy character, which is based on a blueprint here. The character has a variety of different, I guess, nodes for movement and such. I think I actually copied the majority of this from the third-person character just to get the character controller stood up. But I do have a few custom things like adding a speed boost when jumping. Um, I think I also have my sound effects in here as well, and a variety of other things. But by and large, it's a pretty simple character controller as in the other engines. I do have actually a variety of blueprints, and just wanted to kind of call this out. I didn't actually write a single line of code at all in the Unreal version of this game. I did write and or generate a considerable amount of code for both the Godot and Unity versions of this, but as you can see, this is like all blueprints. So I was pretty new to blueprints, but I was really impressed with like how powerful it is, and basically you can do an entire game, at least a simple game, without writing a single line of code in Unreal, which is pretty crazy. But yeah, I'll get into some of the specifics, as I said, in the actual comparison video that I do after this, but I will end this video with a quick little playthrough. See you in the next one.